Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your phone meets requirements and downloading a vetted firewall app from the official store. Once done, grant only necessary permissions. On Android, that may include VPN permission; on iOS, network extension. Make sure to disable conflicting VPNs so the firewall can bind. You should sign in or create a local profile, enable automatic updates, and read the privacy notes. This prepares the app to control traffic and log connections for the next configuration steps. You now build tailored profiles that match where you use the phone. For each profile, set default policy block or allow, then add exceptions for critical apps. Once you create home, work, and public profiles, specify per app rules, block background data, restrict IP ranges, or force Wi-Fi only. Make sure to enable logging and alerts so you can monitor connections. Logs explain why a connection was blocked. Finally, schedule profile switching and test with known apps to validate behavior. You finish by testing common services. Browse, use email and VoIP, and confirm push notifications arrive. If something breaks, check the firewall log to identify the blocked host, then whitelist that domain or relax the specific rule rather than disabling protection. Once satisfied, enable auto updates and periodic log review. If rules persistently misbehave, clear the profile, reinstall the app, or restore default settings. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most configuration conflicts without losing data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.